मेरे डियर मोदी जी, मेरा नेम इज सर्वेश साहू. I live in my home. My family not throwing me out because I am berojgar. And because I am berojgar, I doing some job. But that job I don't get money because that job is in my home. I doing झाड़ू पोछा and jala साफ करना. You know that Modi ji, how berojgar living in home. So my family not throwing me from home. You know why. But at night I playing PUBG that you ban abhi karing. But I don't know why you karing PUBG ban. I invested lots of not money but lots of time and lots of my bheja over there in PUBG. And I was a new player in PUBG, not pro, new player. I was in PUBG and my spoken English was good in PUBG because I playing with Russian and American boys, not girls. You know, Modi ji, I first of all, overall, I saying you subsidy my channel because I subsidy your channel, YouTube channel Narendra Modi. In वापसी में करें you subsidy my channel because I subsidy you subsidy my. Because LPG subsidy I don't getting because I don't have family, I don't have passbook and passbook photocopy and all. Only I have Aadhaar card and I am Atmanirbhar. That you said Atmanirbhar one first know that I am just now. Because of Atmanirbhar, I am bachelor. I don't have any girl. You know what is girl no? GIREL. Girl, friend. You know friend? Because I play PUBG. I playing PUBG. I know putting girl. All that चूतिया दिखिंग लड़के लोग girl लेके भागिंग फुर बाबू सोना जादू टोना doing and all. I don't like this all. I only play PUBG and I invested lots of UC in that PUBG mobile. I UC परसों आई spent 60,000 on that game and I got glacier skin. But now you banning PUBG. I don't know why. I know something little bit. My interior CBI coming in my mind and in my ear saying, they are coming in my mind and ear saying कि Atmanirbhar, you uploaded one video 2 days before and after you going and you got dislike, not this one like, and you doing PUBG ban. Why? How? This is wrong. I liking your video, not disliking. I am liking your video. Then you not ban karna mera PUBG. For all you ban PUBG. For me, for my, I want my PUBG back because I subsidy your channel and I liking your angutha up, thumbs up. I don't drink Coca-Cola, I only drink thumbs up. I thumbs up your channel and subsidy your channel. You do subsidy my channel. I don't know anything but you do. I am BJP voter. I am BJP voter. I jitaying you election but you not doing my काम. You deleting PUBG how? Why? I got information right now. CBI come in my mind and saying PUBG ban. I open my PUBG but PUBG my chilling. I again phone calling CBI. How you ban PUBG? They saying no. Only 1 or 2 दिन में PUBG ban. I don't know how. Why? पता नहीं. All I going YouTube searching PUBG ban. कैसे कब क्यों कैसे I doing this. Then lots of video coming. That's why I made this video. So that come to say true. My term 4 years I spent on YouTube and nothing happened. Because I wasted 60 to 70 UC thousand in PUBG. I have nothing in my mind. I sitting without any pen. Because I don't have money, I wasted in my money and I जुआ खेलिंग and खत्म पैसा. and YouTube not giving me money. I don't know why, because my channel is looking one place like a first stop, but I am very confusing. You subsidy my channel grow, but you PUBG back coming, because I am single. I am sucked, but I become unsucked. Unsucked I become. You saying once I giving one girl to me. You giving, I giving. You gun girl with me, then I not playing PUBG because PUBG to you ban. I giving Babu Sona, Jadu Tona. I lots of night spent with that, and I time pass hoing. And then I jhadu pocha लगाएं and doing exercise. See my body. I was doing jhadu and pocha and making body. That's okay. But at night, I need someone. Not for sleeping, only for talking. I am sucked, but I can talk. I don't know why you ban PUBG. For disliking your video, I do not dislike. I only thumbs up Pina and not Coca-Cola, because that is black and I want to become Gora. You know this Gora. So you PUBG वापस लाएं. When you ban TikTok, then I nothing saying. Now you banning PUBG. I want वापस चाहिए. My English is good, you know. I speaking good, better than you, because I training English from online classes. You said online classes good class. You giving fees. I giving fees. I giving all full fees. 1 year fees. I giving in one time today just now only. But I want my PUBG back, because I am Radwa and I want my PUBG back. I feeling crying. You give me my PUBG back. I hustling. I rowing wanna. I don't know how, but what I will play. गर्ल्स खेलती हैं अच्छे से. गर्ल्स प्ले वेल विद बॉयज. They gola घूमिंग and plays with boys and looting all money like Riya. I don't have any like Riya, but I don't have money also. That's why I don't have any koi Riya. Give me one girl or give me my PUBG back. Okay, I want my PUBG back. You banned TikTok. You banned TikTok, but I was not there on TikTok because I was in Instagram. I was in home, not Instagram. I was in home in Allahabad, and I was in my padosi's home because she is my, you know something what. But Instagram give new feature reel. TikTok ban you करें, reel start happening. Then you ban PUBG. Then something. I request Mark Zuckerberg to come with PUBG. Instagram in. I playing there and combine money. Then I giving UC free. You know what is UC. But I want my PUBG back. Bye. If you not subsidy my channel, then you go single, you go bad. I don't know you subsidy my channel, like this video and do share, comment करना and subsidy my channel. Okay. Bye.